In this guide, friends, I will show you how to activate a gig on your Fiverr account. So guys, all you have to do, go to your Fiverr account and then go to your profile. After click on your profile section, you will see this page, guys. Go to gig, as you can see here. From here, guys, click this option and then you will see a draft. From the draft, guys, click on the draft and just wait to see your draft here. For example, this one, click this icon and click edit. From this edit option, guys, you will see this your gig. So guys, all you have to do, scroll down, click write all your these options. For example, positive keywords. From here, if I want to add some positive keywords like for example design or logo, and this is on my gigs, and then write this option from here. After that, click save and continue, and then you will be activated successfully. Just complete this 3 and 4 requirements and publish it. From here, just scroll down, click save, and let's see this option, guys. Scroll down, click save and continue again, and then guys see this option publish, and then your gig will be activated successfully without any problems. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. You should be verify your phone number and to complete the steps. Thanks for watching this video.